Our planet, in its boundless ingenuity, has fostered an extraordinary diversity of life, and with it, an equally astonishing variety of culinary traditions. For millennia, humanity has explored, experimented, and transformed the natural world into sustenance. We often think of this journey as the pursuit of flesh. But there is another story, the remarkable and often surprising world of vegetarian cuisine. A world where plants, fungi, and other non-animal sources are transformed as intricately as any drama in the animal kingdom. I'm Chef Stefini. Today, we enter kitchens and markets where the most bizarre vegetarian foods are prepared and adored. Prepare your senses. We're exploring 10 of the most bizarre vegetarian foods on Earth. First stop. In the vibrant night markets of Taiwan and China, an unmistakable aroma hangs in the air. Compared to old socks, even rotting garbage, it can be detected from streets away. This heralds our first subject, stinky tofu. Fresh tofu ferments in a guarded brine where bacteria and yeasts break down proteins, crafting its powerful aroma. Fried crisp outside, surprisingly soft within, complex, savory, umami, with a tangy finish. Often served with pickled cabbage and sweet spicy sauce to balance richness. A bold paradox, foul aroma, irresistible taste. Second stop. From Taiwan we head south to the lush rainforests, home of the king of fruits, durian. Its most famous defense is smell, so potent it's banned from hotels and transport. Inside lie pods of pale yellow, custard-like flesh. The bouquet mixes fruity sweetness with onion, turpentine, and sulfur, lingering for hours. The taste? Almond, caramel, vanilla, with a savory, slightly alcoholic aftertaste. Devotees transform it into ice cream, pastries, candies, and cakes. A challenge outside, a prize within. Third stop. In refined Japan, a true test of fortitude sits at breakfast. Natto. Fermented soybeans bound by sticky web-like strings that cling with tenacity. Cooked beans meet Bacillus subtilis natto, fermenting about a day. Vigorous stirring aerates the polymer, making it more viscous and frothy. Seasoned with soy, karashi, and scallions, then served over hot rice. Firm beans meet slippery coating, an acquired texture, a national superfood and comfort. Divisive, yet deeply traditional. Fourth stop. In Indonesia, soy takes another path, tempeh. Beans meet rhizopus spores. Mycelium binds them into a firm cake. Predigestion boosts nutrition and digestibility. Tempeh tastes nutty, mushroomy, earthy, with a firm, chewy bite. It fries crisp, crumbles into sauces, grills like a steak, or steams for salads. A flavor-absorbing chameleon, rooted in Javanese tradition. Quietly extraordinary. Fifth stop. An egg, yet not as we know it. The white turns amber jelly, the yolk, a dark, creamy paste. Coated in alkaline clay, ash, salt, quicklime, and hulls, then cured for weeks to months. Chemistry raises pH, denaturing proteins, shifting color, texture, and flavor. Snowflake patterns grace the gelatinous white. The yolk is rich, sulfurous, ammonia-forward, challenging, yet umami-dense. Served as appetizer or chopped into congee, it becomes a savory accent. Preservation as culinary alchemy. Sixth stop. On Sardinia, a cheese so bizarre it's famous for being illegal, casu marzu. Born as pecorino, then deliberately exposed, inviting cheese flies to lay eggs. Larvae digest and transform the paste. Fats break down into a pungent, almost liquid cream, intensely sharp, peppery, ammoniated. Larvae can leap, some eat it lively, others seal the wheel first. A pastoral symbol served at celebrations, pushed underground by hygiene laws, where decay blurs into delicacy. Seventh stop. In northern France, a glowing orange sphere with a moon-like rind, mimolette, colored with annatto, aged in cellars, where Acarus ceromites are introduced to sculpt the rind and aerate the cheese. Affineurs brush and rotate, balancing mite activity over months to years. With age it hardens, turning sharp, salty, intensely savory with hazelnut and caramel notes. The pitted rind signals authenticity, the handiwork of tiny artisans. a symbiosis made delicious. Ninth stop. Garlic undergoes a metamorphosis so complete it becomes dark, sweet, mysterious. Held at low heat and high humidity for weeks. No microbes, no additives. The Maillard reaction crafts new flavors and color. Cloves turn tender and jelly-like, losing raw pungency. In its place, mellow sweetness with balsamic, molasses, tamarind, and deep umami. Spread it, blend it, or savor a single clove. A quiet miracle of time and heat. 10th stop. In Asian highlands, young tender bamboo shoots become a pungent staple through fermentation. Packed tight, topped with water, sealed for anaerobic fermentation. Lactic bacteria sour and preserve, creating a bold aroma. Sharp, sour, almost cheesy, overpowering to some, beloved by locals. Eaten as a flavoring, intensely sour and savory, adding depth. A vital preservation that sustains through seasons, pungency with purpose. 11th stop. On Mexico's high plains, agave gives a living milky white ancestor to tequila. Pulque. Before flowering, the heart is hollowed. Sweet aguamiel collects. Harvested and poured into pulqueria vats to ferment. Wild yeasts and Zimomonas mobilis convert sugars rapidly, sometimes in hours. A living drink, milky, slightly frothy, viscous, sour, yeasty, gently sweet. Once sacred, later Mexico's drink of choice, now in resurgence. A taste of history in every sip. Our expedition through the world's most bizarre vegetarian foods has come to an end. From pungent Asian streets to mite-covered French cellars, from Mexico's highlands to Sardinia's forbidden cheese. We met foods that challenge our senses and courage, expanding our idea of what's edible. Not mere novelties, these are stories of preservation, necessity, tradition, and the hunt for flavor. Fermentation, aging, transformation, culinary alchemy turning simple into extraordinary. When a food seems strange, smells powerful, or looks alien, pause. Consider its hidden history, science, and culture, and maybe take a bite. Because adventure on the plate connects us to each other, and to our remarkable planet. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.